They say good things come in small packages, and it's totally true when it comes to the new NuFace Mini Plus device. Isn't she cute? If you're thinking about getting started with microcurrent, the Mini Plus was made for you. Here are my 3 favorite things about this new device. It's petite to fit perfectly in your hand for the most perfect glide. Now you have the ability to treat the skin at 3 different depths. It's like having 3 devices in one. Of course, the microcurrent stimulates the muscles, giving you that instant lift. And now this device also treats the skin surface to blur away those fine lines and wrinkles. It also works deeper to the muscle to give you those long-term transformative results. My 3rd favorite thing about this device is the ability to connect to the NuFace app. So you literally have an esthetician at your fingertips. You can track your progress and even share them with friends and get exclusive treatment recommendations and become a part of a very special community as we lift along together.